With client or site manager level access to inCloud, you can create and fine-tune alarm definitions to work exactly the way you need them to. These alarms can be triggered by a variety of hardware devices, whether stationary or mobile, which communicate with inCloud by software integration. This video explains how to define your alarms and highlights the many options that give you control over how they look, sound, and respond. Begin by cascading the admin menu and alarm definitions, then click Alarms. For this demonstration, we'll add a new definition using the green Add New button. By applying the following steps used to create a new alarm, you can also modify the standard alarm definitions to fit your specific needs. First, give the alarm a clear title. For example, Fire Alarm. Then, enter the instructions that will appear on screens when the alarm is triggered. It may be something like, Evacuate to your assigned location. This is how that information will appear on your displays. Next, choose the alert level. By design, alarm activation devices are only meant to initiate an alert level of alarm, which will take over the entire screen for optimal awareness. The informational alert level is meant for less urgent types of communication and will show as a banner at the bottom of your displays. Assign an appropriate priority for the alarm you are defining. This number determines which alarm takes precedence if more than one is active. Priority 1 is the highest, while 10 is the lowest. Alarms with identical numbers will show the most recently activated. From here, you can choose to add an audio file that plays with the alarm. Any MP3 file uploaded to your media list can be chosen, from sound effects to recorded voice instruction. If needed, set an audio cycle, which lets you alternate between active sound and silent periods. There's also the option to enable mobile activation, so the alarm can be triggered directly from a mobile device. Then, select which zones or specific Ever Alert devices should receive the alarm. You can also send it to all devices across the site. And finally, you can customize the panel color for the display background, and, when enabled, a button color for mobile activation. Once everything is set, click the green Save button to confirm. Remember, you can review these steps anytime you need to build new alarms or update existing ones. As part of your overall safety protocol, we recommend performing regular safety drills that test activation devices and optimize alarms, ensuring that staff members are familiar with them in the event of a real emergency.